I'm welcoming you all on my channel Dynamics Talk with Akash. And today I'm going to demonstrate you about VAT setup. What are the related configuration that we need to do in order to configure VAT in uh, either WN localizations or even like in the UK or Europe region. Right now I'm using Kronos UK company. In this one, I'm going to show what are the pages, what are the setups are related to configure VAT. And then at the end, I'm going to make a sales transactions to show you how it's calculated. So first thing, if we need to go and search for the VAT setup page. Here VAT setup, this VAT date is something like from which period you want to start this VAT calculation. Like if there's a particular period from which you want to calculate the VAT for the transactions that you can define, right? These are the VAT from and allow VAT to date. Similar to what we have for posting related dates under general ledger setup, it's behaved like the same for the VAT calculation. Now we have a two groups that we need to create, and those you can find under VAT setup, VAT posting groups. One is VAT business posting group, right? And other one is VAT product posting group. So VAT business posting group is purely related to your master, like customer, vendor, right? Though there you need to tag. So I'm just going to here tag VAT 18. Let's say VAT 18%. I'm creating a new one. And if I go back and I go to again VAT group under product posting group, here I'm going to use as a material 18%. Okay, correct. So these are the two places. Like the first thing is you need to define VAT business posting group and VAT product posting group. Then you need to create VAT posting setup by using both these two combinations. So you from there itself you can go to VAT, open VAT posting setup page, and from here you can type the one that I created, VAT 18% and VAT product posting group, right? I created material 18%. Then you put descriptions, VAT 18% is, and then VAT identifier, like I'm just putting 18% here. And then under VAT percent, we need to define what are going to be the percentage, correct? So I'm giving this 18%. Then here, like we have a VAT sales account and purchase VAT account. So first thing, first VAT calculation type here, you can see we have a normal VAT, reverse charge, full and sale tax. In general cases, we are going use normal VAT, and in the reverse case format, where services are involved, there we use reverse charge VAT, right? We are just simply using normal VAT with a very basic like configuration to do that. Then under sales account VAT, you need to add your relevant sales account, like when VAT deducted, in which account it's going to be, debited for your sales, and same for your purchases, right? So I define here. Now here it's a reverse charge. When you are using reverse charge, then you need to apply here your reverse charge VAT account. Then clause is optional. If you want, you can define. If not, you can keep it blank. It's optional field, right? It's coming from the clauses. There's a table where you can define VAT clause code, and then you can link it there. Then tax category, that's something is coming for your return filing. Okay. One other thing that on this VAT rate setup itself, like we have on this, if you want to block a certain kind of a posting setup related to VAT, then you can block that particular combination in order to avoid the calculation for that particular combination. Okay. Now I would go back. So these are the major chunks for VAT. Under VAT reporting, there is a various options to file your return. You can generate reports, you can configure the templates, and you can generate the VAT statements as well, right? So the major things for the VAT calculation, that is, once you created your VAT business posting group and VAT product posting group, I would go back and assign to my customer my or vendor for the this VAT posting group, right? Let's say I'm using Relay Cloud. Under Relay Cloud, under invoicing fast tab, right? Here you can see VAT business posting right now domestic. So I'm going to change this to my VAT 18%. Okay. And even you can do the same thing on your vendor side. And on item, I'm going to use my Paris guest chair black. And here under cost and posting, under VAT product posting group, we can define my the new that I created material 18%, right? And now let me make a sales document to show you it how 18% is calculation, right? So I'm going to directly create a sales order by using customer relay cloud. Okay. So now I select this customer and I use this Paris guest chair black. Okay. Now if I would go to here under invoice details, you can see VAT business posting is coming for that customer. Now I'm putting here as a quantity 10 and prices. It's going to be a simplify. I'm just going to put 100. So as you can see on 1000, 18% VAT is deducted as a 180. Now to show you in the more details, you can go to order and click on the statistics page. And here you can see 18% VAT is showing. And if you click more, you can see further details, right? And under here, you can see the VAT is calculated on 18% on the invoicing part. So this is how you can configure your VAT under either you are doing your W1 localizations or you are doing your uh, in any European clients you are doing the VAT. So these are the setup that you need to do. One more thing which I want to emphasize here, like if you want to use if you want to calculate VAT of relate and by taking that GL account. So on GL account we have the flexibility to add both the like general business posting group and product posting group. Both you need to add here in this one. So like if I show you here under posting, you see VAT business posting group and VAT product posting group. These are the fields that you can define to calculate VAT by using GL account card. Sometimes user get error that they are using GL account but they do not select VAT product posting group, and due to that VAT is not calculated. And so some like they worried, okay, why my VAT is not calculated even though we have all the things. So in order to avoid that, you can use this option to do all the kind of setups. So this is what are the very minimalistic uh, configuration that we need to do in order to configure the VAT. I hope you will learn how to configure VAT by watching this video. If you find this helpful, please share this with Business Central professionals. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel. Thanks.